Here is my Crescent moon wand from Sailor Moon. I made it myself. It's not all the way done, but it's mostly done. But there's still some stuff that kind of needs to get fixed. But I made it out of clay, oven baked clay. And then this was actually I think a piece of a broom or duster, some type of pipe. It was like a handle. And so I just cut it, painted it, sanded it down, or whatever, painted it, and then just hot glued it. This was just like foam, craft foam that I just, put over the seams. And then I just put some gems on it and stuff. And it's not really canon, and it's not perfect, but from far away, it looks pretty dang good. Oh, the name of the moon. I'll get ya. I love it. Sorry. And then this I just made by taking 2 gems and just gluing them together, and then I just glued it on and glittered it all out and put some pearls and stuff and a little heart, and it's just so cute. And it looks very accurate to the size. I actually kind of like this size better than some of the toys. So this basically was free for me to make. I had all the supplies already, and no, what is my phone doing? Yeah, I had all the supplies, and just was a little bit of glue, paint, and some knickknacks lying around the house. Okay. Thanks for watching. Oh no, actually I'll do that better. Okay, so that's my wand. So thank you for watching my video. Oops.